I've moved my desk in the room, so if the background seems alien and weird to you, that's why. Hopefully it's not too disorienting. When we last left off, we did this generic into the bag interface. And remember, the big picture is we've done a bag of integers, but we want to be able to do a bag of anything. That is, store endless amount of items of anything, including balls, for example, or squares, or all the fun stuff we've done before. Well, to do this, we need something called generics. And what generics do is they allow us to store any type into the bag. Here we have bag interface, and we're doing a bag for generic type T that'll be defined when we actually create an object of the class, okay? In array bag, what we're going to do now is we're not just going to implement bag interface, we're going to implement bag interface type T, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to make a generic class, okay? So now, when T is defined for this, it's the same T that's defined for that. So this placeholder is the same, okay? You can actually have as many placeholders as you want here and have them run through your code. We're just gonna have one, but you could imagine a more complicated data structure that has, multiple generic classes that need to be defined in it. But we'll just do this for now. All right, so that's the way we implement the generic bag interface, or at least on the way to implementing the generic bag interface. We can do the same over here, bag interface T, LL bag T. So both of these bags are gonna have type T in them, and according to the question down there, one of these variables should end up becoming a type T, right? Well, that one, right? Because since our bag is storing variables of type T, this should become T data. Similarly, in array, one of these should become T, right? Which one should become T? You can pause the video and think about it. We are storing a bag of T's now. So what type turns into this generic type T? If you said bag array, that is correct. We're making a generic array, okay? And if you go look up generic arrays in Java, you'll find out that it's annoying. So you have to remember a few slight hacks, which are irritating, but not that. They're just stuff you memorize. Or you just look up and remember, oh, there was something with this, and just look it up every time, like I do. So it's all good. All right. So, good. Remember, we still need to implement all of these. Now, you probably, I assume, have a version of this that is already implemented for integers, and you could bring that over and just modify it for type T. I'm going to grab this and do it for type T real quickly. Okay. And is that right? Yeah, and then LL bag, LL bean bag. A week later, the joke still works. No, it doesn't. Okay, so we're well on our way to doing this. As you might imagine, you got to put this all in. I'm not gonna bore you with that. But we can put this all in, and we'll talk about how we fill in some of these functions in the next video, okay? We'll ask a few questions and we'll fill in some of these functions. So I'll see you in the next video. And I'll have this done by the next video. I just don't want to bore you with it.